Hello everyone, so another Thursday in the United Kingdom.
A wet one.
A wet one, as you can see. We're on our way to Westward Ho to do some window cleaning in Westward Ho.
Westward Ho exclamation mark. Don't forget the
exclamation mark. So yeah, we'll drive on down. There's about another hour left. We left Taunton about half an hour ago. So yeah, we'll see when we get there. Cheers.
Bye. Bye.
We've also got a question what are other landscapers up to in Somerset, even if in your area, wherever you may be. We're going down to do some window cleaning. We've just set up the lads on a fresh last minute start on a job, tidying up a front garden, digging it out, putting more gravel down,
new picket fence going in,
slabs down.
I hate starting jobs though, like when there's another job going.
Yeah.
What does everyone else think of that? Do you know what I mean?
Stressful.
Like starting another job while you still got on the go.
So yeah, hit the comments. Yeah, hit us up.
We have contracts started all over the southwest, Cornwall, right through to Southampton, probably further. Yeah, so window cleaning, just trying to fill in these god awful wet days, really.
So yeah, we've arrived to Westward Ho. As you can see right here, got the treasure island. So I wonder what sort of fancy dancy things we can find in there. As you can see, the sea's looking lovely. If only we had our surfboards and we don't surf, then we'll go find some windows to clean. We got to the first one. We use these, so this has got the pure water system in it. So in the van we got a massive tank. We find these a lot easier than like navigating all the sort of hose lines and whatnot, just because on with our contracts we do the grounds maintenance and stuff as well, so it's just a lot more easier. Just sort of have these on our backpacks. As you can see, they're not too heavy, innit? The only strenuous side to it is just lifting it up on your back. I've got one that's there, the backpack's really comfy, you don't really notice it. Another good thing with the telescopic is we can go up to 6 or 7 story high building. So there's often or not we do like soft washing and things with the telescopic. Do big blocks of flats, and obviously the window cleaning as well. It goes extra further than this one. So that's Westward Ho finished. That took us about 3 hours. We're going all the way back to Bridgewater now to do squab storage, which is a big storage place, loads of windows and stuff, so that'll be exciting. We'll see when we get there. So we've landed, the rain has come back, but yes, anyway, squab storage in Bridgewater, commercial and sort of domestic storage place, really big. The guys here are really friendly, really professional. We do the grounds maintenance here, so we're here quite often, sometimes once a month, sometimes twice in the month. As you can see, as Sam's just panned back, you can see this whole tin roof. we've got the contract to clean all of this soon. They do it on a yearly basis, so once a year we'll come in with our soft washing equipment and sort of blast that out. If you look on our previous posts, probably last year, at some point, you'll see that we've already done it. So obviously, new year, new clean and all that. But yeah, if you just watch us sort of do a few windows. That's how low I have it. What I'm doing now is just extending the pole out. Just we've got 3 stories here. I'm guessing 3 sets of doors and whatnot. So just extending that out so we can get to the top. Give that a shake. There we go. I'm just gonna rest that there. Press play on this little box. On this little tap. Just on this little red tap here. It's a quick release thing, just so the water will shoot up so I can turn it on and off quickly. It's a really handy feature. Obviously, protects against wastage and whatnot. And we'll always start from the top as per, and then come working our way down as we go, hitting the eyeball with the rain and whatnot. Yeah, fun times. So yeah, we'll just keep working our way down. And we'll do the same on the other level, on the other sides of the window. Yeah. So I said straight, but keep going. So, thanks for joining us on our journey today. Me and Sam's been hosting the window cleaning today. We don't normally spend a full day doing all this. When the ground maintenance starts, we normally tie it all in together and spend a couple of hours on each site. Yeah, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Looking for storage, please message Squab, ring Squab. They're really good, friendly, professional. And if you're looking for window cleaning, tap us up.